Today, we're going to be talking about push-ups, one of the most important exercises for you to do and learn in the bodyweight series, which I'm going to be showing you in this week. So, why do you need to do push-ups? Push-ups are a good indicator of actually building your upper body strength and also making sure that you have the strength to push yourself up and down, It actually looks simple, but it's actually very deceptively difficult. So, I'm going to show you a few progression exercises. How can you learn to do the push-ups? Why I would suggest you to learn all these bodyweight movements right now? Because number one, a COVID situation in Singapore, there's a lot of cases. So, most people will not want to go to the gym, or they don't really feel very comfortable training in crowded areas, So, outdoor bodyweight training actually is pretty good for you to do. So stay tuned for the first exercise to help you to progress your push-ups, okay? I would suggest you to try a kneeling push-up. So this sequence, it's going to be a progressive bunch of exercises from the first to the last, which I'll teach you in proper sequencing. You have to try to complete it at least 3 sets of 8 reps. Then when you finish a set, you rest for a minute. So the first progression exercise is going to be a push-up, kneeling version, okay? So you want to keep your knees on the ground. Then hands shoulder width apart. Then you want to push your shoulders in front of your wrists. Then you slowly go down, inhale. Keep your core tight, exhale and come up. Inhale, down slowly. Exhale, come up. Inhale, down slowly. Exhale and come up. So this is going to be your first progression exercise. If you find that your knee might be painful when you're doing on the hard ground, roll up a mat or a towel so that you can put it on there and do it. And this will help you to train your strength in doing push-ups. So if you're not able to do a full range of motion rep, like what I just did, you can try to go halfway, alright? Second exercise of the push-up series today, I'm going to be showing you it's going to be incline push-ups, or you can call it a very high incline push-ups. Because when you have something that's higher to push off, it's actually easier to do when you're doing on the floor, and also it teaches you how to keep your elbows and shoulder to stabilize for you. So you don't necessarily need to use this high, you can go something lower if you're more confident, but if you're weaker, this is a good one for you. So how do you do it, okay? Keep your hands shoulder width apart, alright? So keep the core tight, alright? Inhale down slowly, exhale up. 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 So at all times, you want to keep your back straight. You don't want to have a curved back like that. And you want to slowly control yourself going down and come up. And also engage your chest and tricep and shoulder at the same time. So try to do this for 3 sets of 8 reps, and then slowly make sure that you are able to get stronger with the movement. So if you can do 8 reps already, right, you can try to go for 10. Alright? Stay tuned for the third exercise. The third 1, 2. So the third exercise for the push-up series for today that I want you to try to do is going to be a simple plank. So this is going to be a full body plank, which actually trains you to keep your body embraced and stay in the push-up position. So some people, like even before attempting a push-ups, right, it's actually very difficult for them already. Like they cannot even stay in that position. So how do you want to do this? You want to hold for 30 seconds of 3 sets. So you want to be able to lock your elbows and keep your body tight. So how you are going to do it, let me show you. Find a bench that you can lay flat and make sure there's no objects around you if you're doing it at home or if you're doing it at the gym. Make sure everything is clear in front of you, alright? So you want to hold this position here tight, alright? See? Hold here, alright? This position. Keep your arms locked, keep your legs straight. Do not keep your back curved down like that. You want to push your butt up, maintain a straight back, alright? So once you are here, you can start your timer and you're going to hold it for 30 seconds, okay? So the progression for this exercise is to try to get 30 seconds. Once 30 seconds is done, if it's easy for you, try 40 seconds. If 40 seconds is easy, try 45 seconds or go up to even a minute. So you will want to be doing 3 sets of this exercise. That is the third exercise for the progression for the push-up. Let me show you the last and final one. Last exercise, last exercise, exercise number 4, final exercise for the push-up progression. It's gonna be a plank press up. So how do you do this? Okay, you wanna be in plank position. So you wanna be like that, here. Okay, you push up one arm. Alright, come down by the same arm. Okay, right hand up, right hand down. Alright, so you wanna try to get about 8 reps per side. 8 reps here, 8 reps here. Because when you can do this, right, it trains yourself to push up into the position. It gets your triceps stronger because when you do your push-ups, you need to use your triceps to stabilize yourself. And also, in this position, it teaches you how to engage your core better, brace, push off the ground. So if you can do 8 reps of 3 sets, you can try to do at least 4 sets of 8. So the rest time for all the exercises that I mentioned today is going to be 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. So example, you finish the first one, which is the kneeling push-ups, 3 sets of 8 reps. Finish a set, rest a minute, move to the second set. Finish a set, move on to the second one. So after you're done with the kneeling push-ups, move on to the incline push-ups. You can do there. Okay, same thing, do 1 set, rest another minute, do the second set. Do and rest another minute, do 1 more set. Then after you move on to the third one here, which is the plank position. So finish 1 set of 30 seconds plank, rest, another plank set. Rest, another plank set. Then move on to the last one, which is the plank push-ups here. So these are very simple progressions. You can do at home, you can do outdoor, you can do with your friends, you can do with your family members. So my suggestion is to try at least doing 3 sets of all the exercises. Once you can do that, try 4. Then once it's easier, maybe you can try to add more reps instead. So today is the first exercise that I'm explaining. I break it down for you how to get your push-ups done. Tomorrow, I'm gonna film the squats one. So it's gonna be a series that I'll be showing you of the 5 different bodyweight exercises that you can train to get yourself to lose weight, get stronger, build a nice physique. Okay, so stay tuned for the next episode of me breaking down how to do squats. Alright?